friends are never apart, maybe in distance but never in heart, by Helen Keller. A magnificent morning to our respected principal and our coordinators and my dear educators and peers. Today I, Assis,
And I, Abhiru,
welcome you to Class 6B's Assembly on Threads of Friendship Bonds for Life.
today we converge to honor an invaluable foundation of our lives, friendship. Beyond mere companionship, true friendship is a silent anchor that keeps us grounded, a mirror that reflects our best selves, and a sanctuary where we are accepted without judgment.
Indeed, when relatives are bound with blood, friends are the family we consciously choose, woven together by shared laughter, mutual trust, and silent understanding. Even when friends are far apart, their bond remains strong because it is based on love and trust rather than distance. Good friends teach us important lessons about cooperation, patience, compassion, and responsibility.
To commence this auspicious occasion by aligning our minds and evoking tranquility, let us ground ourselves in reflection. I request everyone to stand up, join your hands, and lift your voices with us for the morning prayer.
Ignite a great flame, a profound idea can illuminate our entire day. To challenge our intellect and offer us a meaningful perspective to ponder throughout the day, I invite our classmates Asri and Himmat to present the thought of the day.
Cement which can hold the world together. I repeat, friendship is the only cement which can hold the world together. This quote means that friendship is the ultimate glue keeping humanity united. While laws and systems organize our society, only true love and trust can truly connect people. Thank you.
Moving forward, a well-rounded mind must remain acutely aware of the dynamic world beyond our school walls.
To deliver today's global dispatches, national highlights and sports updates, please welcome our news correspondents, Garansh with the national news, Simmer with the international news, Pratik with the sports news and Kuvam with the weather report.
Good morning everyone. Today's national news is RBI is expected to keep interest rate unchanged in its upcoming policy meeting. IMD has issued heavy rain alerts for several states across India.
International news is global oil prices fell over 5% after easing tensions in Middle East.
Today's sports news is Mirabai Chanu, weightlifting legend who wins medals, help teammates too. Abhishek last 233 in 91 balls in local 50 over match. Weather news is cloudy skies with light to moderate rain, bringing some relief from heat. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature is 27 degrees Celsius. Thank you.
Thank you for a comprehensive update. Poetry is the art of painting pictures with words, capturing emotions that prose often fails to express. To articulate the subtle nuances and deep loyalty of companionship, let us welcome Priyansh, Kudrat, Soumya, Goransh and Samarthan to the stage for the poem recitation.
Rough and skies and grim, a true friend never walks away. They do not judge, they do not chide, but step in softly by your side. History gives us a beautiful example of Lord Krishna and Sudama. Though one became a king and other remained poor, their friendship never changed. They taught us that true friendship is built on love, trust and respect, not on wealth or status.
When heavy burdens break your stride, they do not simply stand aside. They offer help with open hands, the one who truly understands.
History also remembers Akbar and Birbal. Their friendship was built on honesty, wisdom and trust. Birbal always spoke the truth and Akbar valued his advice. True friend always guides us towards the right path. With gentle words and courtesy, they treat your soul with empathy. They speak with grace, they listen near and chase away each hidden fear. The friendship of Lord Rama and Hanuman reminds us of loyalty and selfless support. Hanuman stood beside Lord Rama through every challenge, proving that a true friend never leaves in difficult times. No debts are trapped, no favors sold, for loyalty is pure as gold. Through every high and every low, together is the way they go.
Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam often spoke about the teachers who believed in him and inspired him to dream big. Sometimes, friendship is found in someone who encourages us, supports us, and helps us become the best version of ourselves.
So my dear friends, true friendship is anchored in respect, kindness, trust and action. It is not true by the words spoken in the moment of happiness, but by helping hand offered in time of need. Whether it's Krishna and Sudama, Rama and Hanuman, Akbar and Birbal, or a teacher who believes in a child. Every friendship teaches us the same lesson. A true friend lifts you up without expecting anything in return. Thank you.